Okay, Ava and I have Leia and Brock's puppies out and Rizzo and Scout's puppies out. Rizzo's puppies are 5 weeks today and Leia's puppies are 4 weeks today. I had to think about it for a minute. It was a beautiful night, so we wanted to bring them outside and let them run around in the fresh air. Tells them no, so they don't jump up on her. Hi, cute little girl. Hi. Come here, pups. Come here, puppies. Hi, cuties. Hi, pups. Puppies. They're definitely starting to be on the go. Hi. Oh, look at your cute face. Huh? You just want some attention. Hey, stop eating my plants over there. There's your little boy from Rizzo's litter. There they are. Hi, cute puppies. And then we have these pretty little puppies. They are doing so good. You cuties. Oh my goodness. Wow, you guys are so cute.